Hey, this is Ralph, and in this video I want to talk about the importance of having direct link text, especially using keywords. So I'm over here at the website for Traverse City, which is up in Michigan. And I'm looking at their website and I'm just kind of scrolling down. There's a number of things they could be working on here, but what I want to draw your attention to in this one is the use of the word link to be a hyperlink. So we have it right here. There's the word link. Down here it's the word here, and if I scroll down a little bit more, we've got link, link, link. Overall though, they've got some pretty bad hyperlink text. In this particular phrase, I guess we're looking for a prescription over-the-counter drug drop-off box, and some drugs are accepted, but instead of making the hyperlink types of drugs that are accepted or acceptable drugs, just the word accepted is a hyperlink, or just the word prohibited is a hyperlink. But here's what I want you to think about. Based on just the hyperlink, we have no idea what this word prohibited relates to. Based on just the hyperlink, we have no idea what the word accepted is related to. So you want your hyperlinks to incorporate the key words for the page they are linking to, because that's what it's all about. So for example, watch government channel 99 now. Why not just make the words watch government channel 99 the hyperlink? Or Traverse City government meetings. Make that the hyperlink because you've got the keywords right there. Traverse City government meetings. You don't need this separate word called link. Someone with a vision impairment would have a really tough time navigating this website because the hyperlink text is not descriptive to the purpose of the link. So something to keep in mind, and this happens quite a bit. I know you've been on websites where they use click here. The words click here is the hyperlink, and I've seen pages where they do that over a dozen times. You got to stop doing that. You want people to be able to understand just by looking at a link what it's for. The word here is not descriptive. Press release, that's pretty good, but not the word here. And then of course we just have a hodgepodge of 2013 spring loose leaf and brush pickup information. That's actually pretty good, right? The entire phrase is the hyperlink. It's very descriptive. Even if I don't click on this, I've got a good idea of the kind of information I'm going to get from this hyperlink. So just something to keep in mind. What I did is I used this keyword analysis tool over at Webmaster Toolkit, and I did a keyword analysis, or word analysis basically, for the City of Traverse City website. And it kind of lets you know what words are the most popular on the site. And of course there's the word link. They have it counting as occurring 6 times. I did a little informal count myself, and I think it actually occurs 7 times. But regardless of that, based on this listing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the word link is in the top 10 of most popular words on this web page. That should indicate that it must be pretty important to them, right? Well, I imagine on the city website, certainly you want the name of your city showing up multiple times. That's what it's all about. Maybe the word government. It seems like closures or projects or employment could be certainly important words, but the word employment only occurs a couple times on the web page. So you can use tools like this to help remind you what your page is emphasizing or not emphasizing. And while I'm here, let's go ahead and just draw our attention to this. Let me go and view the page source real quick. And whoever is working on the Traverse City web page needs to step up their game. Let's see. What can we tell from their site? The title of their page is Welcome to the Front Page. No mention of Traverse City or the City of Michigan. And I just pop that back open again. There we go. Zoom back in. So the title of their page is extremely weak. No mention of what their site is all about. The description of their page, I mentioned in a previous video how important meta descriptions are for click-through, but look at their description. Joomla, the dynamic portal engine and content management system. So clearly they are using Joomla in order to create their website, which is perfectly fine, perfectly reasonable thing to do, but they haven't taken the time to make these mild changes which can affect the search engine optimization of their web page. And of course, they do have meta keywords in here which do not help with SEO, but they've left them at the generic Joomla. So Joomla is certainly getting plenty of advertising here over in Traverse City, Michigan, but the city itself or the services they offer is not getting any recognition. So what I want you to keep in mind for this topic is hyperlinks that you create. You want your hyperlinks to be super usable to the people visiting your website. Make them descriptive to their purpose.